हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. A for ant. A for ant. B for ball. B for ball. C for car. C for car. D for doctor. D for doctor. E for I. E for I. F for fan. F for fan. G for gun. G for gun. H for hat. H for hat. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. J for jungle. J for jungle. K for kite. K for kite. L for langoor. L for langoor. M for mango. M for mango. N for neck. N for neck. O for orange. O for orange. O P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q R for rat. R for rat. S for sip. S for sip. T for tiger. T U for ukulele. U for ukulele. V for van. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yummy. Y for yummy. Z for zero. Z for zero.